Hey, hi. In this video, we are going to a little bit introduction of the Funora app. So here the Funora app. So Funora app is basically used for it is a event aggregator app. We are using this app for the finding the events nearby you, right? This is the basically category of the what event you want to be searched, like a music. It could be concert, it could be comedy, right? It could be cultural, so it will filter that data based on the your category. So if you goes to any event, right, on the tab of the card, so it will goes to the event detail screen. Here you can find the details of that particular event, like a title, when the event will happening, what the duration of that event, what the venue of the event. You can also read that event after you have interested that event, right? And there is a about section of that event, and you can also set a reminder for that event with the click on the my reminder me. Here is the gallery of that the photos and the videos that is related to the event. Here you can check, and there is some popular event listing on the this. And here this you can basically, there is the engagement section, right? Who is attending the event, right? You can comment regarding the any event. You can comment that event. You can see actually ki what your peers are attending your event or not. This is the recommendation section. By the clicking on this button, you can add that event in the favorite list, but before you have to log in, right? So on the login, you once you click on the login, so it will goes to the login page. You have to log in, right? With the login you are high. Once you log in, then you will able to basically save your event in the your favorite list by the click on that button. You can also mark as a I'm interested or not, right? On the click on the I'm interested. And here you can search the event list, right, based on your filters. So we also introduce a filters. Here you can select your basically categories, your day frame, right, by the your time of day, and event type, whether you want to be free events or you also like want to be some paid event, right? If you click on the free, so it will find the free events for you, right? Here the free events. So this is the basically section of the search event. Here the section of the saved event section. So once you add any event in the favorite list, so it will be so in the saved list event, right? Here you can see. And once there is a profile section as well, right? Once you click on the profile, so you can update your profile as per the your requirement. Or here the setting, in the setting we have introduced some feedback. If you have any opinion, any feedback regarding to the our app, you can share your feedback. And if you want to be change your location, so you can also change your location. You can also select the manual location, right, as per the. So initially we have input some location, right, for the Delhi and Delhi NCR, but you can also change the location as per the with the GPS location. And there is a FAQ section as well. If you have any concern and question regarding to the so you can check out this page, right? And you can also have the share, basically share app. So if you want to be share this app to the another WhatsApp or anything, so you can share with this our features, right? So this is the overall features of the our app. Thank you.